To get started with Lloyds Online Banking, first you need to register for the service. Go to the Lloyds website and click on the Register button. Then follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal and account details. You will receive a registration code which you need to enter to complete the registration process. Once you have registered, you can log into your account using your user ID and password. On the home page, you will see an overview of your accounts, including your current balance and recent transactions. You can also customize the homepage to show the information that is most important to you. To view your account transactions, click on the account name and you will be taken to a detailed transaction history. From here, you can filter transactions by date and type, and also export them to a spreadsheet for further analysis. To make a payment, click on the Make a Payment button and enter the recipient's details, including their name, account number, and sort code. You can also set up standing orders and direct debits, which allow you to make regular payments automatically. To manage your accounts, click on the Account Management tab, where you can update your personal details, change your password, and set up account alerts. You can also use this section to apply for new accounts, such as credit cards or loans. To stay safe while using Lloyds Online Banking, make sure to use a secure internet connection. Keep your password and user ID confidential, and be cautious of phishing emails and scams also. Always log out of your account when you have finished using it, and keep your computer and mobile device up to date with the latest security software. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Lloyds Online Banking and manage your finances easily and securely. Remember to always keep your account information and login details safe, and contact Lloyds customer support if you have any questions or concerns.